What's good, guys? Chub Anime's back, and today we're gonna be reacting to the final episode of season 1 of Chainsaw Man. Now, this joint is called, what is it?
Katana versus Chainsaw Man.
So, round 2. Hopefully, my boy Denji don't get his ass whooped this time. Hopefully, he goes crazy. He's been training with the guy, and he says he feels stronger.
See, I don't know how the fuck he got stronger when he's been training for like maybe a week, right?
I guess that's just that demon fiend in them, I guess. You know? I don't know. I'm excited. Last episode, we left off with Aki getting choked the fuck out. Let's see if he survived that as well. Get straight into this because I'm excited. Every time I go on social media, I'll see a little something, and I'll just close that shit out. I was like, I don't want no spoilers. Damn, they're starting off with this ugly bitch. Imagine waking up to that shit, bro. Oh my God.
I'm swinging, bro.
Oh my God. Instead of trying to fuck Denji, she should have tried Aki, bro. I don't know. That's what she liked.
She's like, oh, shit, I'm about to go to prison.
Yeah.
Opens the arm, the fist, and it has a heart in there.
Imagine, has the shorty cigarette.
Oh, that might be it. Damn.
Yo. He's gonna turn into Yami from Black Clover right now. Light that bitch up. It's like, oh, it's crazy.
Now, I know she died because she gave up her whole body, right?
Mm-hmm.
But is she still there, like, as a ghost? And that's why the demons do it? Because no demon's gonna, you know, feel sympathy for a, for a human like that.
Mm-hmm.
What was the point of doing that? And then my other question is that demon even dead? Or devil? Is that devil even dead? Because that earlier episode, we saw that her head got chopped off, right? But then she's still here.
So remember how he even tried to summon the wolf?
Yeah.
And it didn't come because, remember, and they were like, oh, you let the devil or whatever. So technically it's still alive, yeah, but it was like you pissed off the devil because you let it, some shit like that, so it doesn't want to listen to you. So I'm assuming, obviously, because this shorty Himeno died, necessarily the devil isn't dead. Someone just needs to form a new contract, which is what I guess this shorty did, because that's what she has it, you know. For them who make contracts, you know, because obviously Denji's a devil himself, so.
Someone in the World Cup doing that after they scored a goal. And then the whole stadium.
Oh my God.
The whole stadium gets eaten afterwards. Oh, what? Okay.
Bro, the way she holds a knife is so fucking creepy, bro. What the fuck she got a random hand on her? Oh, that's nasty.
Oh, those are the zombies that were fighting.
Look at this dumb.
He's like going up.
Oh my God. Her laugh is so funny. This motherfucker really just dipped out her shit. I mean, he has his own fight. They don't light his ass up.
Right.
Bow.
Is that how he becomes the devil? He pulls his hand off?
Bro, I guess so. I don't know. I mean, all Denji has to avoid is getting cut, because when he loses blood is when he starts. Yo, Denji loves to get ragdolled, yo.
Becoming Spider-Man. Isn't it weird that they gotta use their head as well?
Yeah. But like, for example, Denji's head is good because he has blades on both sides, but the other dude has a blunt side if you think about it. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Then he did flash that. He did sonido. I need to get back in my bleach bag, yo.
Damn.
Damn. What the fuck?
So is that guy like Denji too? He got like a little devil inside of him?
I guess so, yeah. He said that his heart got replaced by the Katana devil.
So he should be immortal too then.
I guess so. Technically.
Yeah, see? I'm so confused.
Magi's like, sure, fuck it. Oh, he's about to get his nuts blown out.
I kind of showed it.
I know, right? Or at least heard him like scream.
I'm upset we didn't get to see her go off yet.
I know.
And then this girl here is probably OP as hell. Oh, yeah?
Even if you're a devil, that shit got hurt.
That was a fast episode.
Nah, that can't be the end of it. What the fuck?
Oh, what was that?
Her devil.
Oh, okay. I'm about to try one of those popsicle sticks. Every anime they be having those.
She bit straight into that shit. That shit hurt, made my teeth hurt.
Watch the way it ends. Something's crazy gonna happen. Like the gun devil's gonna come or like blast away half of the population again or something like that.
Right, imagine.
Leave us on a big ass cliffhanger.
Shows Kobani.
Watch.
Kobani going face to face with it.
Didn't they show this door in the first episode?
Mm-hmm.
デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
What? I don't know, man.
A new hunter? What the fuck?
I thought they were gonna leave us with a big cliffhanger.
I thought Aki was gonna awaken his Rinnegan. That person that just spoke, they've shown it in the outro or the intro.
Really?
It's one of the shorties that has I'm pretty sure. Which one would you prefer to be, a country mouse or a city mouse?
It's probably imagine he has a sister, bro.
I mean, we don't know shit about his past
No, we don't.
besides what his parent or whoever died.
Left him with-
That's where he meets Pochita.
Well, yeah, because he has to be a devil hunter because his dad left him with a shit ton of his family left him with a
Yes.
shit ton of
With
debt.
the debt, yeah. But y'all who have read the manga, give us little hints and shit like that. Cause yes, it's a cliffhanger, but like not really. I mean, it is, cause obviously we don't know what the fuck's gonna happen. But like, it wasn't some crazy shit.
Nah,
You know?
I thought they were gonna leave us with like a really big cliffhanger. But have they announced like season 2 yet?
No, I don't think so.
No, whatever. Because
Probably next fall.
come maybe I wouldn't be surprised. Come springtime, Hell's Paradise comes out,
Yeah.
which is the final of the. They got a name for it in like the manga. I think it's like the Dark 3 or something like that, which is Jujutsu Kaisen, Chainsaw Man, and Hell's Paradise.
Yeah. Let me see what's up, man.
I don't know.
Anyways, you guys let us know what you think about this episode. I'm happy he got to blow that dude's nuts out.
Yeah, they're sick, bro.
But like this episode felt mad short.
It was short.
It was 23. It was 23 minutes, but like it felt mad short. Like it just flew by. I don't know if it's just anticipation or what, but we don't know what's to come for the next season. Besides that one female being introduced right there at the end, might be a hunter. She clearly knows Denji. What association do they have? Thank you for stopping by, and stay tuned for the next videos.
Peace.